Welcome students. I am P. Manivannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government College of Engineering, Sri Rangam, Trichy. In this video is for the Anna University Regulation 2017 third year students for the paper MA 8551 Algebra and Number Theory. In this video, we will discuss about the chapter number 2, unit number 2, finite field and polynomials. Particularly, in this unit, we will discuss the polynomial rings. Now, what is an polynomial? In the previous videos, we will discuss what is polynomial. It is an expression in the form of a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. plus an x power n left to right, or it is a x power order is degree is increasing, or x power n to x power 0 is also a form. It also taken as correct. This polynomial. Its coefficient be integer or rational or irrationals. Integers, rationals or irrationals, and also real numbers. And it is called rational polynomial, integer polynomial, or real polynomial according to the coefficient. We will denote it. Then what is x indeterminate? The variable x is called the indeterminate in the polynomial. What is a polynomial? F of x equal to a naught x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus etc. A belongs to the ring for all 0 to n. Then f of x is called a polynomial in the indeterminate x with coefficient from r. What is the leading coefficient? The coefficient of x power n, that means a n is called the leading coefficient. We say that f of x has degree n. Hence, the degree of the polynomial is the highest power of x that occurs in the summand of the polynomial. And it is called leading coefficient. An is called the leading coefficient, n is called the degree. Then constant and constant term. A naught x power n is a naught x power naught is called constant or constant term of the polynomial f of x. Notation: degree of f of x equal to n, x power 0 equal to 1, a naught is called the constant term of f of x, r of x to represent the set of all polynomials in the indeterminate x with coefficients from r. This is the collection of all polynomials is called r of x with coefficient value r from r. What is the equal polynomial? Let f of x be a polynomial of degree n, g of x be a polynomial of degree m, be two polynomials be equal polynomials when m equal to n and a equal to ba. The highest power must be equal, and also every coefficient must be equal. So a equal to ba for all 0 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n. Then what is 0 polynomial? If z is the 0 element of the ring R, then the 0 polynomial is z x power 0 equal to x is also the 0 element of the R of x and is said to have no degree and no leading coefficient. What is constant polynomial? A polynomial over R, that is the zero element or of degree 0, is called constant polynomial. For example, the polynomial 5x power 0 over z7 has degree 0 and the leading coefficient 5 and is a constant polynomial. Similarly, if 5, we can put either 1 or 2 or 3 and etc. up to 6 are called constant polynomials. Consider the example r equal to z6 comma plus comma dot. The expression 5x square plus 3x power 1 minus 2x naught is a polynomial of degree 2 with leading coefficient 5 and constant term is minus 2x power 0. As before, here we are using a to denote integer modulo a in z6. This polynomial may be also written as 5x square plus 3x power 1 minus 2x power naught can be written as plus 4x power naught, since integer modulo 4 equal to integer modulo minus 2, since minus 2 can be rewritten as plus value. So minus 2 plus 6 equal to 4, and also it is also equal to modulo 10, sorry, congruence class 10, since here 6, so we add 6 the congruence classes must be same, so we will replace minus 2 by 4. Now we move to the new topic, addition and multiplication of a polynomial in r of x. Let f of x equal to an x power n, an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus etc. a1 x power 1 plus a naught x power naught. G of x equal to, similarly, it is nth degree polynomial. It is nth degree polynomial. Be any two polynomials in x over r, where ai comma bj belongs to r for all I belongs to n. 0 0 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n, and 0 less than or equal to j less than or equal to m. We introduce, that is the closed binary operations of addition and multiplication for these polynomials in order to obtain a new ring assumed that n greater than or equal to m. This addition of polynomial in r of x. We define f of x plus g of x is equal to summation I equal to 0 to n ai plus bi into xi, where bi equal to z. That is here bi equal to z for I greater than or greater than m. Up to m, its value be bm. Above m, its value be the additive identity is called the 0, that is z. So we use ba equal to z. Adding these two values a plus ba corresponding elements with the coefficient of x over I. It is called the addition of polynomials. In the definition of f of x plus g of x, the coefficient a plus ba for each 0 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n is obtained from the addition of the elements in R. A plus ba is the addition, since R is ring. Then multiplication of polynomials in R of x. F of x into g of x equal to an bm. How we multiply these maximum powers? So an into bm. X power is x power n plus m. Then the next term is an bm minus 1. So these two multiplication. Its power is x power n plus m minus 1. Then these two multiplication. An minus 1 bm. Its x to the power is x power n plus m minus 1. So the coefficient is an bm minus 1 plus an minus 1 bm x power n plus m minus 1 and etc. Then we increase the terms and the ending part. It is a naught, sorry, a1 b naught plus a naught b1, since the x power is a1 b naught a naught b1 is called the x power coefficient, x power 1 plus the constant value is a naught b naught into x power naught. It is the multiplication of polynomials. In the dots, here one term, here two terms, the next term is three terms summation and up to maximum value. Then in the ending 1, 2 and etc. In the middle one, the maximum value is maximum summation. For f of x into g of x, the coefficient x power t is summation k equal to 0 to t. Why? Here x power 0 is one term. X power 1, it is here two terms. Yes. Such that 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to n plus m. These two summation is x to the power. These two summation, some value is x power value. So we understand these coefficient values. Then example for addition. Let f of x equal to 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x power 1 plus 1x power 0 and g of x equal to 3x square plus x power 1 plus 2x naught be polynomials from z5 of x. Why here? What is the meaning of z5? The coefficients are in z5. Then this polynomial is called z5 of x. Here x cube coefficient is a3 equal to 4, x squared coefficient equal to 2, so a2 equal to 2, a1 equal to 3, a0 equal to 1 and b2 equal to 3, b1 equal to 1, b0 equal to 2 here. Then for all n greater than or equal to 4, we find that an equal to 0. Why? Here a3 equal to value. a4 is not exist, so that value will be 0. When m greater than or equal to 3, since here up to b2, so b3 and etc. will be 0. Using the definitions of addition, the coefficients are now performed under the modulo. First, add these two. What is the x cube terms here for? What is here? No. So it is 0. So 4 plus 0. Then x squared coefficient is 2 plus 3. X power 1 coefficient is 3 plus 1. X power 0, 1 plus 2. Then it is 4x cube. What is here? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is not in Z5. So it can be rewritten as 0. Okay? Under the division algorithm. Okay. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 belongs to this Z5. 1 plus 2, 3. So it belongs to this. So we omit the 0th term. So 4x cube plus 4x power 1 plus 3x power 0 is the addition of these two polynomials. Then under multiplication, what is the result? In the same problem, for all m to the power n equal to 4, we find a n equal to 0 and m to the power n equal to 4, bm equal to 0. Using the definition of multiplication, the coefficients are now formed under modulo 5. We obtain, what is it? X power 5, it is up to 5. A5 minus k bk. X power 4 up to 4. A4 minus k bk. And similarly up to 0. Then, what is its meaning? What is it? X power 5. How we find x power 5? Here, x power 5 coefficient is 0. Here, x power 0 coefficient is 2. So, 0 into 2. Here, x power 4 coefficient is 0. Here, x power 1 coefficient is 1. So, it is 1. Here, x cube coefficient is 4. Here, x squared coefficient is 3. And anyhow, its multiplication be 5. So, x power 5, here x power 0. X power 4, x. X cube, here x square. X square, here x cube. X squared is 2. Here x cube is 3. Sorry, 0. So, 2 into 0. Then, here x power 1. Here x power 4. So, be 0. Here x power 0 value coefficient is 1. Here x power 5 coefficient is 0. So 1 into x power 5. Similarly, when you find x power 4, here x power 4, here x power 0. X power 4 coefficient is 0. Here 2. So 0 into 2. Then x cube into x. So 4 into 1. X squared into x square. So 2 into 3. Then x power 1 into x cube. So 3 into 0. 1 into 0. X power 4. Similarly, we obtain these values. After simplification, we get 0, 0. 4 plus 3 is 12. Again 0. 12 can be rewritten as 2. Why 12 divided by 5? What is the remainder? 2. So 2x power 5. Then what is its addition value? 4 plus 6, 10. So 10 mean 0. Here 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 divided by 5. What is the remainder? 4. So it is 4. Here 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 divided by 5, the remainder is 0. Here 6 plus 1, so 7. 7 by 5, the remainder is 2. 1 into 2, so 2. So the final answer is 2x power 5 plus 4x cubed plus 2x power 1 plus 2x power 0. This is the multiplication example. Then now we move to an important theorem. Let R be a ring. Then R of x comma plus comma dot is a ring. This ring is called polynomial ring. It is called simple ring. It is R of x is called polynomial ring. Given R is a ring. Let f of x and g of x belongs to R of x. What is the R of x? The set of all polynomials with the coefficients of these polynomials belongs to the ring R. Let f of x equal to this one. Here for the simplification, we use this direction a0, a1 and etc. an in the power of x power n. G of x is equal to b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus etc. plus bm x power m, where ai comma ba belongs to r. bj, not I, here bj, ai bj we use. For the coefficients bi or simply no problem. By definition, f of x plus g of x equal to what is the sum? Add these similar values. That means constant plus constant. X coefficient plus x coefficient. X squared coefficient plus x squared coefficient. Also. So C naught plus C1x plus C2x square plus etc. Ck x power k, where Ca equal to A plus Bi. Since A plus Bi belongs to R, Ca belongs to R. Why? The coefficients are in the ring. The ring is closed under addition. So Ca belongs to R. So Ca belongs to R, which implies its coefficients belongs to R, which implies the polynomial's summation is also belongs to R. So the R of x is closed under addition. Closed under addition. Here we use the addition value. Then multiplication. Now f of x into g of x is equal to c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus etc. cr x power r plus x etc. ck x power k, where cr equal to here r. So a naught br, these two index summation is r, must be r. So a naught br, a1 b r minus 1, a2 r minus 2, ar b naught. So this is the coefficient for the cr. It is belongs to r. Why? R is the ring. It is closed under multiplication and also addition. So this value must be belongs to R. Okay. Therefore, f of x dot belongs to R of x. So here multiplication is also closed. Hence, addition and multiplication of polynomials are closed in R of x. Since addition and multiplication are associative in R, addition and multiplication of polynomials are also associative in. Here we use the closed property. Here we use the multiplication property. So in this stage, R of x is a semi-group under multiplication. So we have to prove that the remaining three parts of R of x comma plus. Okay, why? R of x comma plus is a abelian, and also the distributive laws are satisfied. These are the remaining portions. Now under addition, it is a abelian group. Now we already proved closed and associative. Now we will discuss about the additive identity. What is the additive identity? Zero polynomial is called additive identity. The zero polynomial 0 in R of x is the identity for plus in R of x. Zero polynomial is called the identity. What is the identity? Additive identity. Means f of x plus 0 equal to f of x for all f of x belongs to r of x. We already know if f of x equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. a n x power n belongs to r of x. So it is the additive identity over. Then we move to the additive inverse. So f of x. Now minus f of x is here minus a naught, not plus a naught. It is minus a naught. Okay, substitute here minus a naught, minus a naught, minus a1, minus a2 x square minus etc. minus a n x power n belongs to r of x. Therefore, f of x plus minus f of x equal to 0. The minus f of x equal to the minus sign. So minus a naught minus a1x minus a2x square minus etc. minus an x power n belongs to r of x. We are adding these two values f of x plus minus f of x. We get 0. 0 is the 0 polynomial. So we adding these two elements, we get the additive identity, that is the 0 polynomial. So we called minus f of x is the additive inverse of f of x. Then minus f of x is the additive inverse of f of x. F of x plus g of x equal to g of x plus f of x. Since we are adding these two polynomials, we get the same polynomial. Since a plus ba equal to ba plus a in the ring. Since the ring is the additive, since the ring is under the additive, it is commutative. So here addition is commutative under the polynomial ring. So we already in the previous slide we proved under addition closed and also associative. Here the identity element is established here, and also additive inverse is also found here. Here it is the commutative property. So under addition, r of x comma plus is an abelian group under addition. Then we already proved under multiplication it is closed also associative. Then now we will move to the distributive laws. So we get three functions. The functions means here the polynomials f of x, g of x, h of x. F of x in the value a up to x power n. G of x is in the terms of b naught, b1x, b2x square plus etc. bm x power n. H of x is the c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus etc. cp x power. Then the coefficient of xi in the expansion of here f of x into g of x into h of x is the sum of the forms AR BS into CT. Why f of x? The coefficient is AR. Why R plus S plus T equal to I? So we split the R index to A. So AR BS CT, where R comma S comma T are the non-negative integers such that R plus S plus T equal to I. Again, the coefficient of x power I in the expansion of here f of x into g of x. It is a multiplication. Then it is multiplied by h of x. Here f of x is multiplied to g of x into h of x. Here inside is g of x and h of x is the sum of the product ar into bs into ct, where r comma s comma t are non-negative integers such that r plus s plus t equal to I. So multiplication is associative in R. We have already proved, already known under the coefficient, it is associative. Therefore, the coefficient of x power I in f of x into g of x into h of x is equal to the coefficient of x power I in f of x into g of x into h of x. So multiplication of polynomial is associative. This slide is shows that multiplication of polynomial is associative. Now we move to the distributive laws. F of x into g of x plus h of x equal to, here multiply to inside. So f of x into g of x plus f of x into h of x. Since the coefficient of x power I in the left hand side is, it is the coefficient value x power I r plus s plus t equal to I. The previous slide we know that. So f of x, its coefficient is a power r. G of x, so bs plus ct. What is ct? In the term of h of x, the coefficient of x power I in the RHS is AR, it is BS. AR, it is CT, h of x. So it is equal to AR taken into common outside. So AR into BS plus CT. It is also AR into BS plus CT. It is also AR into BS plus CT. Hence, R of x comma plus comma dot is a ring under polynomial addition and multiplication. Notice that here I need not be equal to what, r plus s plus t need not be equal to here. Understand? In the previous slide, this previous slide under the associative, so here three terms multiplication, so powers addition. So in this stage only r plus s plus t equal to I, but in this slide the value need not be same. Okay, hence r of x comma plus comma dot is a ring under polynomial addition and multiplication. It is an important result. Is a ring is called polynomial ring or ring of polynomials over the ring R.